Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quinoa pulao for weight loss. This simple and delicious recipe is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a healthy meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Quinoa is a fantastic grain, offering complete protein and fiber, which helps keep you feeling satisfied. It's a smart choice for managing your weight while still enjoying flavorful food. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of quinoa, which should be rinsed well, and 2 cups of vegetable broth for cooking. For the vegetables, aim for about 1 cup of your favorites, like diced carrots, green beans, or peas. Don't forget your aromatic spices such as 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of turmeric, and a bay leaf to enhance the flavor profile. Now, let's get cooking. First, rinse your quinoa thoroughly under cold water to remove any bitterness. In a pot, heat a small amount of oil and sauté your mixed vegetables along with the spices for about 5 minutes until fragrant. Then, add the rinsed quinoa and 2 cups of vegetable broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes until the liquid is absorbed. Once your quinoa pulao is ready, fluff it with a fork and garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for extra zest. This versatile dish is perfect for a light dinner or can be easily packed for healthy lunches throughout your week. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, and small, consistent steps lead to big results. Check the description for the link to this book, as well as other great deals, to help you on your path to financial wellness and overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.